Hey everybody, I thought I'd show the process of how I build my shepherd's hooks. I start out with cutting out the dragonflies. I built this plasma table in 2017, and the actual plasma cutter itself is a Hypertherm 45 XP. The table's 5x10, so I can put a 4x8 sheet on it, cut out all kinds of pieces. The waterbed really helps with the warping too. Make the hooks out of some 1/2-inch solid round bar, and I'm doing a little experiment to see if it's worth the time to make them in two pieces that thread together. So here I'm just turning it down so it'll fit a 3/8 by 16 die over it. Pesky tripod in the way. And for some reason the camera decided to put the video in this orientation, but you can still see what's going on. So it threaded on. Success. I'm drilling a hole for the opposite side that's going to thread into. Now normally the ones that I sell locally are made in one piece. This is just to save a little money on shipping. But spoiler, it's only going to save about $9, because if it's over 30 inches they charge you an extra fee, and yeah, so $9 probably not worth it. Maybe if it was taller, like 6 feet, it would be worth it. But so I'm running the die in here, tap, sorry. And then I bring the pieces to the belt grinder, and I think I'm sharpening the end here, the end that actually goes on the ground. And this belt grinder, I don't know if you can tell, but I made myself. It's pretty shady, but it'll chew up some metal. And I'm putting the, oh, that's also a sharpened end. And this little jig bends the hook part of it. Just have it mounted on the side of my plasma table. And I'm bending the second stake. That's better. Back to the full picture here. This is a cast iron wheel off something. I bolt to my table and bend the hook. Works pretty good. Back to the dragonfly, cleaning it off. Grinding the little sharp edges down. The powder won't really stick to the sharp edges, that's why I have to grind them down. I got a couple shims here to bring it up to about the center line. Then I can weld it on. Clean it up a little bit more. And then I can weld the second stake on. Finish with the wire wheel again. And then I can powder coat it. Had a loon I needed to do, so I threw that in with them. There's the finished product. And there's a pair of them. Thanks for watching.